Let's make some easy, fun, DIY, no-sew pumpkin pillows. All you need is some fabric and a few of my favorite WORKPRO tools. Start by cutting out a rectangle from your fabric. Next, you're going to take a large sewing needle and weave in and out of the edges of the fabric. I know I said this was no-sew, and honestly, y'all, it is no-sew. If I can do it, you can do it. Once you've weaved in and out of the edges, you'll have a form that looks like this. Now we're ready to fill it with our polyfill. Separating the polyfill before you start filling the pumpkin will help it to go further, trust me. Fill the form until it's nice and fluffy, and then pull the 2 string ends nice and tight. Make a knot at the top, and then take another piece of long string and tie it to that knot. Wrap this piece of string around the pumpkin. This is what's going to create that pumpkin ribbed look. Now that we have the pumpkin part done, we can move on to the stem. For my stems, I used 2 to 3 inches of scrap wood and then used my hot glue gun to secure twine to it. Then I added more hot glue to the center of the pumpkin and applied my stem. You could be done here because that's super cute, but I needed to be a little bit extra. So I used my pliers to add some wooden beads to some of the pumpkins. Then I figured I needed one really glam one for the office. So I used my hot glue gun and plastic diamonds to completely cover one of the stems. And that's it. Super easy DIY pumpkin pillows made on a serious budget. All I needed was some fabric and some of my favorite pink WORKPRO tools. Follow along for more simple home decor projects.